Welcome to a very special edition of the Sloane Series. Hi.
Hi. Hey.
Hi. Hey. Welcome. Emer is here at QVC bringing us Elemis products, setting up a makeshift salon, and I'm getting a facial with some of my favorite products and then some products that I've never tried before.
Every day can be a spa day with Elemis.
Oh.
Yeah, and here we are.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. So we have got a combination of my favorite and I think your favorite skincare products that are the most effective, the easiest to use, and just get you everything that you want from your skin. And then we're going to throw in a couple of professional products too that you've never experienced before that are some of my favorite from doing facials all over the world for Elemis. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay.
You've traveled everywhere with Elemis.
I have. Yes, I have. So I have actually been an esthetician for nearly 20 years. And in that time, my first job was with Elemis. I trained for Elemis the first time and went and worked on a cruise ship.
No.
I did. So I'm using the white flowers. Have you used this before? It's the eye and lip makeup remover. So when you're using this, you just shake it and that just incorporates all the ingredients. So there's like a water layer and oil layer that you're combining together when you shake it, and it goes cloudy, and then you pop it on some cotton pads, just some dampened with water, and then we're going to put it over the eye area. Now I know you're actually not wearing like a full face of makeup right now, but irrespective, it's just so nice and cooling and soothing.
Really good.
And there's vitamin B5 in these, so it gives it a really good lash condition as well.
Oh my god.
Did you have pink on at some stage yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, there it is.
I've washed my face twice.
Obviously not good enough.
Yeah, obviously. I was like, we don't have to do that step. This feels so nice.
Yeah, and you can use this as well on your lips. So if you're wearing any lip tints or lip stains, you know, the ones that are great that they stay put all day long. We love them for that, but then impossible to get off and leave your lips quite dry as well. So you can use that for that too.
I'm a big double cleanser.
Yes.
Would I do this before I double cleanse?
Yeah, so you can go right ahead, do your eyes first, cleanse your lips, and then go into your facial cleanse.
Yeah. Also, before this, when you were telling me not to scratch,
I was.
Thank you for that. It's like, I need to be told, don't bite your nails.
Like your nails are sharp.
Do you know that these are my real nails?
No. Have you what? Gel acrylic?
No.
What have you
No. Dip powder.
Oh, you did that. See, I'm fascinated
I
by that.
stopped biting my nails. It was my New Year's resolution. I had nails down to there. What are we cleansing with?
So we are going to use...
Oh, I love this so much.
Favorite. Yeah, and it is totally my favorite too. We are going to take a small amount, because do you use the right amount, or how much do you use?
So is that how much I should be using?
Yes.
I'm using way too much.
Yeah,
way
most
too
people
much.
are.
I'm using way too much.
That's all you need.
I'm using like 3 times that amount.
Yeah. You're not alone. I'm just warming this between my hands. Now, this is absolutely how you use it at home, right? You put it onto your skin dry
skin.
whether it's straight on top of your makeup or not.
Yeah.
Now, do you do this? Do you just stop and smell? Give it a second. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and just breathe. And all we're doing is
that was a euphoric
softening,
experience.
Relaxing you. It's not just about your skin, it's about you as well.
Wow.
Now this is just the most gorgeous cleanser because it melts everything away, from all the dirt, the grime, the impurities, your SPF.
I was just about to say, even if you're not someone who wears makeup, I find double cleansing to be so effective because SPF, anything throughout the day.
It's like a buttery softness on your skin. Now we're going to add a little bit of water to this.
Okay.
Now there's a real reason we do this. So the water is going to emulsify the cleanser. So this is the third phase. So this is where at home you're just running your hands under the faucet and you're going to bring them up to your face.
Okay.
So this goes all lovely and milky on the skin.
Can I just say, this is so much more than a facial. This is really an educational experience.
But I can't stop talking.
This is me also in every facial. Like I look
Are
down
you one
and
of
they're
them?
like, are you gonna relax? And I'm like, So what are you doing now? What are you doing now?
And Elemis is 3 things. We are all about amazing aromatics.
Oh my
And it's this layering of aromas through the entire facial that you're having with us, but also just your experience at home and use them every day. Exquisite textures, so everything is unique in its own right, and how it feels, but also how the feel of the product acts in your skin. And then, of course, it has to be about results. We are just purely results driven in everything that we do. And no compromise to the skin, its structure and function as we do it. It's what made me fall in love with the brand when I started with it. Is I loved having my hands in great products every day, but I love more my client getting up off her treatment couch and just skipping out the door so happy with the results that she got.
It is how everyone should feel after they use a product.
Yeah.
And especially the quality that you should be looking for in a brand. Okay, so here's the weird thing. I wasn't wearing any makeup, but I feel so much cleaner now.
Yeah. But the difference is feel your skin as well. You're used to feeling this on your skin every day.
Yeah.
Is that it's so soft just after cleaning it. It feels like we've done all of the moisturization, we've done all of that already.
It's not
and
that
we
tight
haven't.
feeling where you wash your face and it's like...
I know. It's such a different
You have no
approach to
pores.
cleansing the skin.
It's obnoxious.
Turn around.
Okay.
And behave yourself. And there we go.
I love this toner.
Shall we do our peel pad next? Because I know you're a big fan of these.
Yeah, I use these in the morning.
Okay, so you get 60 in here. Now you can do it as a full-on treatment for 30 days, in which case you'd use it morning and evening. That's the way I normally would suggest if you've never done any kind of resurfacing with us before, or like you're kind of doing more of a maintenance of it.
Right.
So that way you can use it once a day. It's got like a waffle texture on one side, and then it's smoother on the other side. So that waffle texture gives it that element of extra exfoliation.
So is the waffle texture the one I should be using on my skin?
Yeah,
Okay.
and particularly where you've got the crease area, so around the nose, chin area, anywhere where you get texture as well. So it could be just here across the cheek, underneath the eye area. Okay. So we're just going to swipe over. This could not be easier. Now this is a patented technology as well within here, so it's part of our dynamic resurfacing range. So it's all about getting that smooth skin, that this is very apt to you, that glass-like skin. And it is that real buffing quality that we give as well on a daily basis.
I think that the first Elemis product that I ever used was a resurfacing peel from you guys.
Was it? The mask?
The mask.
Yes.
And
I have that here today.
was blown away.
Love it. The main reason to reach out to these peel pads is if you are finding that your skin is getting any kind of dryness, build-up, if it's grey, if it's washed out, if it's ashy looking, if it's blotchy, perfect to use. And you'll feel my pressure changes in different areas.
Exactly.
Yeah. So where you get the more build-up, lean in, and I'm not going deep, as in I'm not pushing, but I'm just a little bit stronger in those areas with my touch than I am in the other areas. Okay, we're going to exfoliate next.
Okay.
So we've got our Gentle Rose exfoliator. Now this is a granular exfoliator. Take a look at the texture of this.
That is gorgeous.
Can you see that? So it's got cucumber extract, and those little tiny beads that are suspended in this beautiful rose gel are jojoba beads. So they're the buffing, the exfoliation element within here, but they're not densely populated within the gel. They're very sparse.
Why is my urge to
touch it?
To touch. Can I?
Yeah, go for it. Feel it, and it's really cool.
Oh.
So we're going to apply this. Now, when I'm applying it at home, I like to do any granular exfoliation personally in the shower.
I do shower a lot.
Yeah.
I shower like two times a day.
Yeah. That definitely will have something to do.
I just love the feeling of being in water. It's not a cleanliness thing. I don't not feel clean if I don't shower. It's the feeling of being in water. I love that feeling of just like having my skin surrounded by water.
You're a mermaid at heart.
But it's weird because I'm not a good swimmer. Like, it's not like I'm like, I need to be in the ocean. I just love water falling onto my skin. Like, I want to be under a waterfall. I love jumping into water. I love cold water.
Have you booked your honeymoon yet?
No.
You have to get
Water,
some kind of waterfall
It has
elements
to be
into this, right?
A waterfall.
Yeah.
It's the oddest thing. Like, it's not that I shower so often because I'm like, I feel dirty. It's that I love the feeling of water.
This is like confession time.
I'm always exfoliating.
You're always
like, I have this idea in my head that I could just rip off my skin and start over. It's the same way that I have this ongoing sensation that I really want to shave my head.
Say that again. Okay, so I'm going to tone you again.
Oh, after I exfoliate?
Anytime your skin is touched with water.
No!
Yes. Because I've just put water on your skin.
So anytime I touch my skin with water, I should tone?
Yes. So exfoliate, remove it, tone. Mask, remove it, tone. All right, now I've got something called Skin Bliss capsules. Say Your Recovery Skin Bliss capsules. Have you seen these before?
Oh, yeah.
You have. So these are normally like a 30-day booster, and they're all a measured out one use within it. So it's rose and then lavender. So you use the lavender at night and the rose in the morning. So I'm just breaking them all open.
Do people tell you all the time that it looks like you should eat it?
I've heard stories over my time.
Oh, this smells good.
I'm forcing you to be quiet for a second.
If that's what it takes, that's fine. The oil feels so warm.
Isn't it amazing?
Yes.
But it's the texture of it as well.
Yeah.
Isn't it crazy how much tension you have in your face as well?
Yes. Is it because I talk so much?
No. Might not. Entirely all to do with it. You do overexert your mandible, maybe.
I know. Sometimes my jaw hurts.
Yeah.
How's the condition of my skin?
It's actually not bad at all. So we've addressed the little bit of dryness that you had on your nose. I know you've got a little breakout on your forehead, but that happens, you know. I think we need to make sure that your hydration levels are just kept really good and just work on the overall tone. I think the dynamic resurfacing is a good pairing for your skin as well.
Okay, here's my question. Not bad at all.
Yeah.
I work so hard on my skin. Like, I take care of you. I love you. I do everything that it asks of me. Like, I couldn't worship or care for a thing more. Why doesn't it listen or behave?
It's a fickle thing. And I love
I'm just
that we're
saying
getting a
she's
nice
ungrateful.
pinkness. Okay, shall we do some fun masks?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going
my
to
skin
do.
feels so plump.
I'm going to do one of your favorite products.
Oh, I love this.
You love these. I know you do.
Because it said it's the biggest difference.
So these are the PRO-COLLAGEN HYDRA-GEL eye masks. So these are part of the PRO-COLLAGEN line. So we're addressing obviously the lines and the wrinkles, but also massive hydration to the eye area.
Wow, my under eyes just like, they're screaming for this right now. Oh, this instantly feels better.
They're such a relief, aren't they, when you put them on?
Yes, and I keep mine in the fridge, and it's just
I love that.
the most incredible feeling.
So 20 minutes would be the ideal that you'd leave these on and just let them go to work. Plump, hydrate, nourish. If you're traveling as well, so like if you're going anywhere, especially if you're flying, put these on the airplane
On the
itself.
airplane?
Do it. Okay, now this is a professional mask.
What am I hearing right now?
So I'm just mixing up. So it's a powder. This is called our amino active mask.
Okay.
So I'm kind of just mashing my own little facial here for you, okay? And this one is a powdered mask that we use professionally. You can't buy this one, so this is the little bit of an extra bonus. So I've mixed it up, so it's a paste.
Yeah.
And this has, should I tell you?
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
It's so cool in your skin. Now I have to be careful to get this on nice and fast and stop yakking.
This feels unlike anything I've ever put on my face. Let me see, hold on. Ooh.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit, oh here we go, I've got some here, of the Instant Refreshing Gel. Now give me your hand. I want you to feel a little bit of that and tell me what you feel. This is probably the product that we sell the most of off the back of our massages, of any of our body treatments. Unique. So if you work out, if you get stiff, tight shoulders, this is one of the products I was saying across your shoulders.
Oh my God.
But explain what you feel.
It's like a mentholy.
Yeah.
Like mint. Like a tingly, refreshing sensation.
Yeah. It's got arnica, camphor, and menthol in it. So it starts off very, very cold. Okay, I'm just going to put some on your shoulders. And you don't need to really work this product into the skin. You just put a nice thin layer. Because you said, you know, we were talking about shoulders and tension and all of the rest. So it's a great place to put it. Now,
this
it feels really
I'm sorry, that
icy
was the most
cool,
incredible
right?
feeling
I'm going to do the other one.
on the planet.
But you have to, as soon as it starts to change, because I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen, I want you to explain what you're feeling.
Okay.
Now this is a gel texture, so you can use this. Can you imagine now you're on your feet all day, maybe you're a nurse in the hospital, or you're just running around and your legs are tired and weighty and heavy at the end of the day. Could you imagine coming home and just putting some of this on? You don't have to massage it in, it really does all of the work for you with the sensation. So it's very cool. Has anything started to change?
Is it getting warm?
Okay, so we're ready to take off the mask. So I'm just going to loosen up the edges first, and then we're going to peel and reveal. The good thing, now I wouldn't normally do this with my clients, but you're my extra special one. Because what we can see is on the inside of it. So you can see any of the little indentations of like where you might have more enlarged pores as well.
I love it. No, I love
it. It's not an ick. It's an understanding. Okay, here's a little bit more where pores are enlarged. And sometimes as well you can see like the texture on the forehead.
And look at the black stuff over here.
Now, we did the professional peel-off mask for you, but my norm on a weekly basis is dynamic resurfacing and the peptide 4000 flower mask. I love to alternate those.
Yeah, I love the peptide flower mask.
And they will give me all of that
the texture of it leaves my skin feeling so good and soft.
Because they're actually used professionally as well. Those two masks in the exact same way as we have them at home for ourselves. I'm going to put on some of the peptide 4 eye cream. Have you tried this one before?
Yes.
This is one I use every single day. So we're going to apply this now around the eye area.
Sorry.
So I always dot.
That's what I do.
Good girl.
You know, this eye cream got my fiance using eye cream.
Seriously?
Yep.
So Pro-COLLAGEN Marine Cream for the face. This is Pro-COLLAGEN Marine Cream as well. I mean, there's a reason it's our best-selling product.
Yeah.
And #1 across the globe for us. You look amazing.
I feel like a plump baby.
Plump baby.
Yeah.
New skin.
New
See,
skin.
you don't need to buzz cut your hair.
Because now
we've done it with your skin.
Emer, thank you for this incredible facial.
My pleasure.
And I learned so much.
Good. I had fun. It was just nice to chat.
I had so much fun. And I got to experience not only some of my long-term favorite products, but also a lot of new products for me. And now I'm like, okay, write down this one, write down this one, write down this one. But you guys don't have to worry about that because I am going to have them all linked below. So very simple, very easy for you. Make sure that you are subscribed to us so you never miss an episode. And I will also have all of Emer's information so that way you guys can follow her and learn more tips because you were just a wealth of knowledge.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're an absolute expert.
Thank you.
You know, thank you so much.
Pleasure.